make things visually less intimidating. Now, what do I mean by this? I'll give you an example straight away. If you see CA Inter syllabus law paper chapter 4, which talks about share capital and debentures, if you open the PDF of that file or if you open the chapter on your study material, you will see the total number of pages for that chapter is 102. Now, the huge number of 100 itself is visually intimidating for a lot of you. So you will be wondering, when am I going to finish this? This chapter might never be completed, all that. Now, what if I were in your place? What I will do is, I will open an Excel sheet and I will disintegrate that chapter. I will deconstruct that chapter into subtopic wise. So I will never see chapter 4 as a whole entity. Rather, I would start noting down all the subtopics that are given in that chapter. And you see, there are 12 subtopics, core subtopics in that chapter, right from introduction until debentures. And you can see the number of pages of each subtopic is about 1 page, 6 page, 2, 2, 3, 4, 11 and 27. So right away, I can see that a vast majority of this chapter is anywhere between 5 to 6 pages or 2 to 6 pages. But only a couple of chapters are about more than 10 pages. So if I were to do this even one step further, I would even disintegrate this subtopic 10, 11 and 12 into further submodules, and I will be able to handle them at a much better rate. At least it will not be any more visually intimidating. So every time I sit to study in a study session, I will aim, okay, today's study session, I will study subtopic 2, 3 and 4. So that way, I am only taking the first 10 to 12 pages at any study session. And let's say it takes 4 minutes for me to read one page. It will be 40 minutes or 50 minutes. And I will feel that I have completed, out of the 14 subtopics, I have completed 3 to 4. And in a matter of 3 days, I will be able to finish this entire chapter. So this is how I make this long chapter, seemingly long chapter, visually less intimidating.